Today we bring the MAXX out and we're just gonna pop it open, take it on the trail and show you how it works. Let's get down in this box. Right now. Alright, let's go. Pop this up here. There we go guys, MAXX. There it is. Of course, we take it upside down. Regular radio from Traxxas. You got menu button, set button. This right here, that button is
Traxxas Stability Management or TSM. What that does is keep the vehicle tracking straight on the high speed.
And this right here is a trim for the balance of the wheel, keep it straight.
This switch right here will lock the throttle position from 50-50 to 70-30.
There you go, back and forth. Very simple radio, off and on. Battery underneath here. Alright, got the arms going crazy around us. Okay, let's do this. MAXX guys. Let's pump this up. Let's pump this up. There we go. Go guys. Right here, we got some accessories. We got Allen keys. We got a gear, a spur gear here. We got some stickers. We got the manual. Alright, let's get down to the bad boy. One time, same time. Whoa. Let's get that up. Look at that, guys. Whoa, look at that, guys. Look at that. Whoa, big and heavy. Look at that. Yeah. Alright, let's pop the plastic off. I think we have to get the body off. Clip right here. Pop that up like that. Just so. Guys, got a beautiful clip holding it down. This piece just slide in the front right here. This piece slide in front right here. This clip just pop up and body drop. Okay, right here. Let's take this box off, so we can get some better vibes. Oh, excited. Put this one on the ground. MAXX. This is the MAXX guys. Nice and beefy. Really beefy tires. We're gonna burn this up for you today. We're gonna show it work. We're gonna give a really good run. The shocks are really beefy. Nice spring. Traxxas, you don't know. Bringing the MAXX. Yeah, so we're gonna do some jumps and run it across some puddle of waters and see what's going down. Right. Show you underneath. Nice. Very simple. Underneath here. The battery compartments are here. Right here is the battery compartments. Pop this like so. Battery goes in here. This other one here, we're gonna pop this like so. Batteries come here. One battery on each side. And this is it. What can I tell you? The shocks is really nice and beefy. Very simple but durable. Heavy piece of machine. Everything here is plastic. It's a lot of plastic, but the dry shaft here, the steering arms here look like metal. We got some metal going on in here. in the both arms inside here. Shocks is metal spring, but most of it is hard plastic. Alright, so let me get my trusty scissors out here and pop this zip tie so the spring can lift up and show you how the MAXX works. So I'm going to cut this. There we go. Lift up. We're going to cut the other one. Right here. Let's see right there. There we go. Alright, so let's get the battery out here and get busy. We got two 6700 batteries here. We're gonna pop one on each side. Remember, it's just like this, just like so. There we go, that's one. And we're gonna slide them back in here. Just like that. It's pretty tight, guys. Ah, there you go. Nice. Put the other one in. Alright, there we go. Slide this in here. Just like that. We're gonna put in the battery in the controller. So you take 4 batteries. So we're gonna pop them in here and get this RC on the road. It's a nice, cool day today. Cloudy. We expect the rain to come, but let's see if we can bring you a really good show before all that happens. We got some RC going crazy around us. Alright, so we turn on the controller right here, and now we're going to press the power on the MAXX. There's a power button somewhere around here, right here, right there. Okay, we get a green light. MAXX is on. Beautiful. Whoa. He's ready. Yeah. Let's hold him up. Give me some juice. Whoa. Alright. Ready, guys. Oh, easy, man. Ready. Alright, so let's pop the cover on and go for a run. Just like that. We got some RC going crazy around us here. Cameraman, show them RCs. We got a TRX4 and a Defender doing their thing. Alright, so let's get back to the MAXX. Let's put this on the ground. See what it can do. Yeah. Shot. And as a result of the first run, we pop this up. All right, let's finish it up. We'll put on some paddle tires and have this going crazy. Alright. Alright guys, we pop a wheel already. One wheel gets tore up. This one. So we got some paddle tires that we're gonna push in here and see how it goes. Now we're not playing with this truck. We're here to work this truck. So let's get some tools out. I think that tool would be in that bag because you gotta have a big wrench here to take that off. I hope we can take that off so we can give you guys some more footages of this bad boy. Alright, so let's get this wheel spawner out. So there we go. This wheel spawner so we can remove the tires. And just gonna pop this out nice and easy so I don't lose anything. Yeah, well, this is the first run. I will pop the tire already. One of the back tires is popped. Too much power. Going to the back. But that's the beauty of it. We having fun. It's very powerful. I love it. Trust me, I love it, guys. I had this MAXX a couple months ago just sitting there. And now it's time to show you guys what's going down. Alright, let's take this off. How it goes. There we go. So right off the box, we'll pop the battery in and take it on the first run. Trust me, the truck is beautiful. I love it. Never have so much power before. So we got some paddle tires here that we're gonna pop in. I'll give you the serial number, 773 serial number. They cost $74.95. Let's pop it open and get this paddle tires in there for you guys. Oh. There we go, guys. These are the old tires. These are the new ones. Yeah, I can tear that up. Let me play with it. And I'm thinking I'm gonna try to do something with this. I don't know what, but anyway, let's move into the paddle tires. Got a way that gotta go, so this one gotta go on the other side. This one comes here. Alright, we're looking good already. Simple like that. Just pop it back in and we're ready to roll. So one thing I learned when the truck flip over, don't put all the power in the wheels because we can pop the wheels. Okay, now we're tight. Let's make sure this is very tight. Good. Flip it on the other side. Take this one out. It's a pretty simple process. There we go. There's your new tire. There it is. Okay, so now what are we gonna do? We're gonna leave 2 of the original tires up front, and we're gonna leave these 2 at the back here, just in case we pop any more. We're gonna just do 2 by 2 and see how it goes. All right, ready to pop this back up. Put on the power. Can you get that power here? It's got this power button right here. There we go. Gotta flip this up. Just like that. Ready to run.